So hi there, my name is Amlan and I am from explainwithexamples.com, and this is my own channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be learning on what's the difference between body markup and head markup. So you can see, like, in the small document which I have right now in front of my eyes, basically I have set up WAMP server. A WAMP is like when you set up like the server within your own local machine rather than putting it on, online with some hosting providers like GoDaddy or Sky. There are millions like that out there. But anyways, when you are making resources like either locally or on the net or wherever, the basic backbone or like the markup is always done using HTML. So like the resources, the most important sheet is basic the markup document, and which is always majority of the times in HTML. So inside HTML, the way to understand it is like everything is an element. When I say everything is element, is everything marking up your document? No, because what you see in front of your eyes in the browser, which is often also called as the client or as the agent, is only the things in the body. So when I say HTML, HTML is divided into two things. One is head, another is body. So you can see that we have like a few elements inside the head and then another few elements inside the body. So what is exactly the difference? Well, the point to note here is that the head elements is just a way of instructing the spiders which come from search engines that what the page is all about, or it's like making the viewer know what the page title, when you see this title, it actually goes ahead and figures here like this is the page title, so whatever I type here, but it doesn't appear anywhere in the document. No, it doesn't do that. That's why the head elements are different from the body elements. The body elements, which you can see here, like img stands for the image, input stands for, there are various input elements out here. One is a text type, and it's a password type input element. Then we have made use of text area types input element, then submit, radio button, checkboxes. We have a lot many of them, but you can see that we are marking up the document using the body elements. So body elements are the elements which actually go ahead and create the markup. The head is more or less about, linking style sheets, maybe having many of those meta elements which help you search optimize your page, and yeah, more about that, but it's not about actually marking up the document if you want to see. And when I say linking up style sheets, what do I exactly mean? So like if you see that I have linked a style sheet and the path of it is basically in the folder inside CSS called style sheets 6. So if I have to show you all, like basically this is my folder structure. So here CSS Amlan, and then CSS inside CSS. No, it's not CSS. Wait. We are actually HTML. Inside HTML, it will be inside CSS and then style sheet 6. This is what. So this is how actually, like, once I will just minimize this. So like you see the way those elements have rendered on screen is because someone has come in and like someone has done some beautiful magic. Maybe they have rounded the borders, maybe they have applied some padding, margins from the left, top, this, that. Well, cascading style sheets are a beautiful thing. In fact, it's called cascading because like if you define the style in one line and then you define the style in another line down there, like the style which is cascading down, it's like cascading down, it gets applied on those elements. And what are those elements? These are all the body elements, because finally you can mark up, you can style only the markup elements, right? You can style the head element, which anyways don't create any markup on your page. So this is how using style sheets, this is cascading style sheets. Here we have targeted entire body, and we have like somehow made margin, that's like top, left, right, and bottom margin to be at 30 pixels. Then we have made all fonts, like all fonts which appear in the body for having 12 pixels. The font family, as you can see, is Calibri, which I have selected. Otherwise, I think it's the default Arial, which I really don't like. And then we have identified various elements with certain IDs and classes. And that's the way, like when we learn CSS, when we learn JavaScript, we look at how selection goes, because it's not only important creating markup, but it's also important understanding how to select them. But anyways, not to divert further, I just hope the basic tutorial which was about understanding the basic tutorial which was about understanding what head elements are and what body elements are and how they are different is pretty much clear. So the head elements is more about, you know, elements which are actually important for search engine optimization, or it's about telling the browser what the content is all about in terms of page titles and stuff like that. But never create some mark on your document, and that way, like if you are a good painter like me, like go ahead and use study the body elements and the body markup, and you know for sure that your document is gonna look nice. Until next time, it's me, Amnan, signing off for the day. Thank you.